And good evening sa ating mga nagagandahang ate, mga nagagandahang make-up. Tawa naman kayo. Yung iba namin mga member wala pa kasi nasa nasa saloon, nagapa-makeup pa. So ngayong gabi, muli, congratulations ang magaganda at nagagwapuhang mga kuya at ate ko. And first, I would like to greet you all. Happy Philippine Eagles Week 2026 to the Fraternal Order of Eagle, Philippine Eagle, Marinduque, Maticas Region. And of course, I would like to extend our gratitude to our former Governor Bong Rasa. Please give our hand of applause. Our Maticas Region officers and assemblymen. Palakpakan po natin. And I am pleased to announce the highlights, the leadership of our club president na kanina man po ay nabagit na isa-isa, hindi ko na ulit-ulitin pa. And they make their work and this event possible with our very generous club president. As we celebrate, of course, with our dignitaries, Sangguniang Palalawigan, please give our hand of applause, Bukal Primo Pamintuan, our dignitaries, Sangguniang Bayan Member, Konsehal Jess Briones, Sangguniang Bayan Member Richard Saet, palakpakan po natin. Meron pa ba? And of course, ating Sangguniang Bayan Member, Konsehal Daryl Landoy, palakpakan po natin. As we celebrate this special week dedicated to our noble organization, we want to extend our heartfelt wishes for our continued success and prosperity. May our organization continue to thrive and make a positive impact in our community through our commitment to service and brotherhood. Service through strong brotherhood is not just a motto for us. It's a way of life. Let us continue to bond together, support one another, and uplift those in need. Through our collective efforts, we can truly make a difference and leave a lasting legacy of compassion and kindness. Our ticket sales and sponsorship go directly to our regional treasurer, and this initiative to fund local community outreach program, helping others, disaster relief, and medical mission. We are proud to be a part of this incredible organization and to stand alongside such dedicated and compassionate individuals. Mahalaga na paigtingin natin, palakasin, pag-ibayuhin pa natin ang samahan at layunin ng Fraternal Order of Philippine Eagles sa ating lalawigan ng Marinduque upang maramdaman ang tulong at pagkalinga at malasakit sa ating samahan. Magagawa at makakamit lamang natin ito kapag tayo ay nagkakaisa, nagtutulungan at tumitingin at naniniwala sa iisang layunin at mithiin. Kaugnay ng pagsasaayos ng ating komunidad, ng ating lipunan at pagtulong sa ating kapwa. Muli, taos-pusong pagbati at mag-ingat tayong lahat